Hey audiophiles, I'm Dave We Like, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2. Now, I went with these headphones kind of because I'm in the Microsoft ecosystem. I've got the Xbox One, I've got my Surface Laptop 3, as well as the Surface Studio 2. So why not pick these on up? I was looking for headphones that had noise cancellation features because at the end of the day, we're all working from home. And I'm just tired of listening to the helicopters, the sirens, and the people that I live with, and the neighbors, the noise pollution, it's terrible. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I went with the black edition because, well, I just thought it looked better than the light gray one. So here we have our carrying case with a little hook, hold it like that. It's kind of large. Obviously, I guess the headphones are completely sprawled out. Let's see what's inside. We've got our quick Venn diagram of our cords and how this all works. It's complicated, but we're gonna get through it. I'm gonna show you how it all works. This is the headphones themselves. Look super cool. Definitely in line with, the design of the Surface premium products that we all have come to expect nowadays, as well as we've got all this tape on here. So let's go ahead, take that off. Always satisfying to remove tape, huh? So this tape is gone, and on the inside we've got these cushions, I suppose. All right, so as we all expect, the L and the R are on the inside, signifying the left and the right speakers. So let's go ahead and put it on our ears. And of course we can adjust it however it is that we want to, shrinking it, making it nice. As well as, since these swivel around, you can kind of keep them on your shoulders like that, around your neck, or like that, or outward, I suppose, if you want to as well. It's completely up to you. There are only two buttons on here, which is really nice. There's a power button as well as the mute one. And they're different shapes and sizes, so it's gonna be pretty easy to kind of feel out which one's which. There's also, next to it, we've got an LED light, as well as a USB-C charging port, as well as our 3.5 millimeter input. And the other thing is that our controls are slightly different, right? So we've got some swiveling ears on the left and the right. These dials will turn up your noise cancellation as well as your volume. So then there are also gesture controls, which personally, this is why I kind of like these headphones, is like the gestures are pretty minimal, but you still have to memorize them at the end of the day to remember which one's what. And so let me just go ahead and read you what it is, which thankfully it's all explained right here on the back of this paper. So a single tap is to play/pause, a double tap is next/answer/end call, as well as a triple tap is previous, and then a touch and hold is to decline a call. Now also a touch and hold will activate your digital assistant as well to talk to them if it's hooked up to your computer or your smartphone. Setting up the headphones is super easy. Just go ahead and push the power button and you'll see the LED light come on. And if you want to pair it, all you do is hold down the power button until the LED starts flashing, which should be about now. There it is. All right, cool. And it's that simple. So then you go to your device and hook it up with the Bluetooth. Also make sure that you download the Surface Audio app. This is available both on your smartphone as well as on your computer. So by getting that, you'll be able to adjust like the equalizer settings. I think there's also voice dictation with like Microsoft 360 products. So let me just quickly show you what that's like as well. Hey, what's up? Hello, world, you cruel, cruel thing. What is, cruel thing, I guess. Cruel, cruel thing. No, doesn't do that. Period, ... XOXO, exclamation point, love is in the air. And what? There it is. That's close. Love is in the air. What is not their truth be told? Okay. New paragraph. Hello, world. You beautiful, beautiful thing. What is going on? I love you. Tonight, tomorrow, it is a new day. Another little gem that I discovered is that you can go ahead and listen to your TV audio. If you have a Roku device, you can go ahead and use the Roku app and basically play whatever is playing on your Roku and have the audio, instead of coming out of your TV speakers, playing it through your headphone, which is pretty fun to go ahead and do because, again, the audio on your headphones sounds good. You know, it's got good bass and speech clarity, so it's fun to just go ahead and kind of have a private listening experience like that. I've never been one to wear headphones or earphones for hours on end, but you know, in this particular apartment as well, it's boiling all the time, okay? It's always hot here. It's so much fun. I love it here. But so you have to imagine that my experience with these headphones is that they will make your ears kind of sweaty as well as your head feel a little hot. I mean, again, I think if I was more in a more air-conditioned environment, I wouldn't necessarily have that kind of a problem. These headphones are just awesome that you're able to quickly answer a phone call. As you were previously listening to music on your computer, it'll mute that music, right? And just switch on over to the phone call. And you didn't have to do anything to make that happen. When you're having a phone call with somebody, it sounds as if they're like right next to you, which is really great. On the flip side, when you're listening to music on your computer, for example, and you're like browsing apps on your phone, that's when the audio starts to get a little wonky and they don't play the music smoothly anymore. I'm not sure why that's the case. And if you think about it, is it a problem? Yeah. But how many times are you going to be listening to music on your computer and then also browsing your cell phone at the same time? And maybe there is going to be a firmware update that kind of smooths out this sort of bug that I'm having. I guess I should tell you what phone I have as well. It's an Android Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. When you're in a video app, for example, on your phone, and you want it to play the audio from the phone as opposed to the computer that is still playing the music, sometimes it knows, sometimes it doesn't. So sometimes you just have to kind of pause the music on your computer and then it'll switch on over and play the audio coming from your smartphone and play it correctly and smoothly. So it's this weird give and take. There's no easy way of talking about the noise cancellation features unless you're actually in a noisy environment. So I've got my air conditioning running, as well as there's a major Zumba class, lots of bass running in my living room. It's great, a lot of fun times, but that's again why there's a noise cancellation feature. So I can't really hear myself talk all that well. It's very much more muted. I still hear a slight hum coming from the air conditioning unit, although again, I take this off and it is significantly louder. Now, I can go ahead and activate the pass-through audio, right? So this allows me to hear my surroundings a lot better. Yeah, okay, it just activated. So now I hear the humming even louder than before, as well as I hear the instructor talking at the moment, as well as I hear myself, again, just speaking pretty darn loudly. Well, thanks for watching this video, everyone. If you haven't already done so, smack the like button, as well as if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.